Okay, this is Ford 2011 F250. Customer has a problem. Say only when he put it in 4x4. So we're going underneath the truck here, and underneath the truck, what he hears is the front drive shaft. Let's see if I can get a better look under here. The front drive shaft, which goes to the transfer case. Those universal joints appear to be okay, but the one that is the problem happens to be, like I say, the front that's clicking. It's very bad. So put this here for him to see. It's 11. He has hubs that he got to get out here and turn. I thought they stopped making those at least in 2011. I didn't think they had them this late, but it looks like these you got to get out by hand and turn them in order to get in the 4x4. But all right, I have to take that drive shaft out and do the universal joint. So okay.